What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Caspians, I'm back with another video for you guys. In this one we got some great news. We got some super bullish news, Caspians. It looks like Gemini could potentially be listing Kaspa soon. They got their eyes on Kaspa, man. We're gonna dive into it like we always do in this one. If you hold Kaspa, you're new to Kaspa, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral, get it to 10,000 views, guys. We are growing every day. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. Let's keep growing the channel together, Caspians. Let's keep spreading that awareness of Kaspa, growing the community, growing people that could share and talk about it. And guess what happens? The more we share, the more we support Kaspa, content creators, people on social media, and the like. Follow each other on Twitter and the like. Guess what happens? The more people talk about it, the more growth happens to the project, the more the price grows, right? Because let's be honest, if you have a great project and nobody knows about it, it's gonna flop. But the Kaspa community, the Caspians, are based. You guys are super based, so a lot of people are gonna know about Kaspa, man. So yeah, support the videos, man. Go rewatch the playlist and check out the Kaspa playlist that I have right on my homepage on YouTube. I literally have a playlist dedicated to Kaspa. You could rewatch all the videos and the live streams that I did. Gotta hit you out with another live stream. I gotta do it. Oh man. But yeah, man, blow the videos up. As soon as people open up YouTube, what's the first thing they see? A Kaspa video, right? Just like when I first got into crypto and the first thing I saw was an XRP video, the first thing they see is a Kaspa video. That's the goal, guys. So support the channel and the videos. Okay, so right now Kaspa down 2.5%. That's fine. Nice entry at 378 cent for you guys. $750 million in market cap, $18 million in 24-hour trade volume. Amazing trade volume. Just absolutely great trade volume. Cas is up, you know, after this nice little bounce. We more than likely could be seeing a retrace. I got a chart for y'all because Cas is forming a huge cup and handle, right? So we more than likely are forming a bit of a retrace until we can continue up further from here. So right here from Cyan up, Cas holder from 2022 and not planning to sell anytime soon. This is Bitcoin and Ethereum merged and perfected. I'm telling you, shout out to you. GZF, the reason why Cas trades so clean is that it was fear launch with no VCs, no unlocks, just a steady mission schedule from miners like BTC in its early days. And that's exactly how it is. That's why I'm bullish on it. Cas is fully decentralized, no VCs, right? Remember, when a lot of projects launch, look at let me show y'all some projects that are so butt cheeks in crypto that give crypto a bad name. How do you spell it? This one that was trending the other day, WorldCoin. This is gonna dump into oblivion. Okay, I don't want to hate on projects, I'm not a hater, but this is gonna dump into oblivion, right? Because guess what, the people that created this, the founders of this, 1% of the supply is circulating, not even 10 or 20%. 1% of the supply is circulating, and the vesting schedule is butt cheeks. Okay, so guess what's gonna happen to this? All of these tokens that get added to the supply is just gonna enrich the founders of WorldCoin, right? It's just gonna enrich the founders of WorldCoin, and the retail investors, as usual, get wrecked. It's already down. It's down 8%. It looks like it's gonna keep dropping. It's gonna lose $1. I'm sure it's gonna go down to like less than $1. I'm sure of it, and then eventually it finds a bottom. Now, you know when you buy this, when 50% of the supply is out, that's when you buy this. When it's less than $1, bro. When it loses a ton of zeros. Or don't buy it at all. Don't even buy it at all. Just buy Kaspa. What am I saying? Don't even buy it at all. Just buy Kaspa. I take back what I said. But yeah, you don't have that type of situation here with Kaspa, man. There's like the person said, there are no VCs in Kaspa, man. No team dumps, none of that stuff, man. Right? No team to dump on you. It's just literally the only people that pump the Kaspa price is the retail investors like me and you. People making an honest living is pumping the Kaspa price. So it's just traders versus traders. There's no huge people that got a ton of money in cash at its first launch, like 30% of the supply or something like that, and then boom, it started to pump, they start dumping it. No, none of that for Kaspa, man. And that's why I'm bullish on it, man. Fully decentralized, no CEO to be like, oh yeah, we're gonna take it in this direction. None of that. Let's see. Cas, many thanks for the market buys from Zed. Blockchain hodler, I'm bullish on Cas. SVG, Cas has been my biggest gainer in the 6 months I have been in the crypto space. Thanks to the advanced tech, the research I've been doing and on this asset has allowed me to learn about the market at a very quick rate. Thankful I found out about this gem. CRC, when current ranking, man. We're gonna pound that into CZ's head. CZ, update Kaspa's ranking. This is not accurate. Update us, update our ranking. Update it now, CZ. CZ's gonna take notice. From sign out, Cas, after you bought, send immediately your cryptos out of the exchange. Facts. For some reason, BitGet is not allowing Kaspa withdrawals. It has been like that for a few days now, so I call BS on the maintenance excuse. Guys, never store your crypto in exchanges. I think all of us know this already. Get a hardware wallet. I know a lot of people started using the Tamgen wallet, so get a hardware wallet, guys. Get yourself a hardware wallet ASAP. And yeah, store your crypto in your hardware wallet. That's the safest place to put it. From Melo 1983, I'm bullish on Cas. Max, 10 years ago, BTC was criticized. Today, the Cas undergoes the same criticism. See you in 10 years. Cas from Martin, $1 easy. Kea Bay, I'm bullish on Cas. So am I. Morton Beach, pump incoming. That is correct, man. That is correct. But yeah, Cas ain't gonna go through. I see a lot of people talking about WorldCoin. I saw the tokenomics, I was like, nope. I was like, that's gonna dump. As soon as I saw it, I was like, nope, that's gonna dump. Not the same thing here with Kaspa, man. That's for sure. Book release from Bubblegum Lightning. Pretty bullish stuff. So if you guys want to purchase that Kaspa book, support content creators in the Kaspa community. Bubblegum Lightning has the book for purchase, man. And right here from Time, Cas holders, I think I was right. It's Gemini listing Kaspa. Something is coming. Gemini listing Cas. For Cas community, win OKX, lose Kraken next match. Gemini, and look at this. The Gemini eye emojis. Ooh. 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 You see the Kaspa community say, Gemini, something is going on. Something is going on. 84 ETH. So Cas is on the Gemini radar. Tyler and Cameron were early to BTC, pretty sharp when it comes to groundbreaking tech. Oh, the twins, right? The Winklevoss twins own Gemini, right? Okay. So that's so you know they already got their eyes on it. Ooh, look at this. Cat, look at this. Gemini, let me vote. Let me vote on the tweet. For Cas community, win OKX, lose Kraken next match. OKX Gemini, 66% Gemini. Let's go. Look at the eye emoji. Gemini's here, guys. A potential Gemini listing could be in the works for Cas, guys. See this? It's right here in front of your face, man. No clickbait. Right here. Okay? See the eye emojis right here. Gemini listing could be in the works for Cas, man. That's gonna be crazy. That's gonna be absolutely crazy. From EAL, as charging technology improves and charging speeds become faster, paying for EV charging with Bitcoin will become non-viable because it will take longer to settle the BTC transaction than it takes to charge. Facts. With Cas, you could settle the charging payment in seconds. Wow, you know that it's so crazy how fast everything is advancing. I'm telling you guys, as soon as I wake up in the morning, I blink and the day's over. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels like that, but time is going by so fast. 2023 will be over before we know it, guys. Time is moving so fast, right? And technology is advancing so fast. Bitcoin, because of all the scaling issues, it's gonna become, tough to use Bitcoin. Cas, we won't have that issue with Kaspa, guys. Kaspa Enthusiast only published a few hours ago, and now we're already at #1 of the best sellers in the crypto sector. Nice. The Kaspa book is doing good. The book of Kaspa from Bubblegum Lightning doing very good. Awesome stuff. Kaspa Maxi. I don't follow you. Let me follow you. I've never seen this before. Google's AI just told me about this about Kaspa. Read this and share it with the world. In 2021, Kaspa conducted a stress test, significantly more than Bitcoin's current throughput of 7 TPS, 1 million transactions per second. The stress test also showed that Kaspa's network was secure and decentralized. There were no malicious actors able to disrupt the network. The distribution of power across the network was even. As a result of the stress test, Kaspa has able to prove that they have solved the blockchain trilemma. They are now one of the most scalable, secure, and decentralized cryptocurrencies in the world. What the heck? Yo, even AI knows. What the heck? AI knows. What? Landon, never thought I'd purchase a book in my lifetime. I'm actually excited to read this. Someone in the Kaspa community purchasing the Kaspa book. Crypto reviewing. Kas gets an 8.9 out of 10. Okay. Why not a 10 out of 10 or a 9.5, my guy? The project, 10 out of 10. 10 BPS. Utility, 8 out of 10. Oh, he gets it. He gives the utility an 8 out of 10 because they don't have any smart contracts yet. I got you. You're going to have to update this verdict in the future, my guy. Roadmap, 9 out of 10. Team, 10 out of 10 because of the community. Social, 10 out of 10. Tokenomics, 9 out of 10. His partnerships. Okay, he wants more partnerships for Kas. 6 out of 10 for that as well. Okay. Okay. What do you guys think about this rating? If you guys can see it on screen, let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Parabolic pump in this thread is going in depth in Kas. At the end of the thread, I'll give you a long-term outlook for Kas. Okay. We're gonna cover this in the next video. Video already went on a bit long. I don't want to stretch. Keep it going for too much longer. Wolfie, buddy, can we catch up about Kas multiple breakthrough tech, fastest proof of work in the world, 1 sec blocks, Nakamoto consensus, Harvard founder, Bitmain tech, ASIC ship next month. And we can see how the scaling for DAG technology for Kaspa works here. We've seen that before. And right here's a chart that I wanted to show you guys from Theory. Shout out to Theory. Huge cup and handle forming for Kas. This is the cup. Eventually we get the handle, and then boom, the breakout. So huge cup and handle forming for Kas. What is this chart? The daily chart. This is on the daily, guys. So keep an eye out for that, man. Kaspa is going to $1 by the end of 2024 from Creonics. Yeah, man. People are getting more and more bullish in Kas. They're waking up, man. They're waking up. They're adding, you know, when people have their list of altcoins, everybody's starting to add Kas to their list of altcoins. They are waking up. So yeah, guys, that Gemini listing could be on the way for Kas. Keep an eye out, man. Buy your bags before buy the rumor, sell the news, okay? But you know me, I'm not selling to the bull market, but I'm just saying, buy before Gemini starts buying. Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video, make it go viral, get it to 10,000 views. Go support the previous Kaspa videos in my playlist. Also remember that on the Patreon, I got exclusive calls on the Patreon. So to support the channel, you want those exclusive calls, guys, join the Patreon. Caspians, thanks so much for the support once again, and I'll catch you in the next